Hello, this is Jason Baker, a product specialist here at Goldstein Buick GMC in Colony, New York. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this 2025 GMC Canyon in the AT4 trim. This particular color is called Desert Sun. A quick look around the entire exterior. The Canyons do have that spray and bed liner already in them. You can see with the AT4 trim, you get those nice, a little bit bigger, chunkier wheels. These also have built-in skid plates on the bottom, so if you take this off-road, you of course don't have to worry about any impacts you have. Stay around to the end of the video and I'll go over the 2 Goldstein exclusives you get when you get your next vehicle from us. Now we're going to do a quick little feature review here. Starting in the back, you can see these are good size in the back here. They do have a pull-down cup holder right here. Plenty of space for your passengers in the back. This does have the memory seating here. All your mirror controls right there. Windows, your sound system. Over here you have your trailering brake and your dimmer. Here's where you pop the hood, of course. This one does have your lumbar controls and all your electric seat controls right there. Now we'll hop right on in. We'll go over some other information. In here you've got, of course, your instrument panel here right in the front. All your controls for your blinkers and, of course, your window washers and all that. Over here you have your cruise control, and this sets a gap between you and the vehicle in front of you. On the back of the steering wheel here, you have a couple of buttons that let you go up or down in your list of presets for your stereo. On this side over here, you have your heated steering wheel controls, your phone pickup and hang up, voice commands, music options, the select button for anything up there if you get any notices or anything like that, and this button which changes what you can see on the instrument panel. You hit it once, it'll bring up this one. Hit it again, you can get your maps. If you have a phone synced up, you hit it again and it'll show you your phone's maps. With no phone synced up, it'll go to this screen next. Then it'll go to this one, which is mostly for that, pitching all the different angles when you're driving it off-road, so you can see exactly how much the vehicle is pitched to one side or the other. Gives you that compass too. Hit it again and it'll give you this minimalized screen with just your speed and a couple other little bits of information. Hit it again, it'll bring it back to the beginning. And we'll go over here to your center console, and you have all your quick options here, your home button, multiple screens where you have a few different options shown at the same time, your music, maps, phone syncing, and vehicle info. Over here you have your vehicle status, your My GMC, Google Assistant, your Play Store, both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your cameras, your Alexa, so if you do have an Alexa account, you can hook it up right through there and use it just like you would your Alexa in the home, your trailering settings, and your regular settings, and then you have your climate, Wi-Fi hotspot, your off-road settings, audio, maps, phone connections, your controls, your air down mode for when you're driving off-road, and of course your news app. Now of course all these apps, you can change these around and move them to whatever configuration you want as suits you. Then you have all your climate controls down here, of course. You have both heated and ventilated seats on this, along with your dual climate control. You have a quick button to set down all of your windows, your auto stop start, your hazards, your lane keep assist, and your aux button here. Down below that, you have wireless phone charging, pair of USB ports. Over here, you have your drive mode, so you can select auto, 2-wheel up, 4-wheel up, or 4-wheel down, your parking brake, and of course your shifter. This particular one does have a sunroof, so you get your sunroof controls right up here. It gives you a nice little sunroof, so you get a good amount of natural light inside the vehicle as well. And this interior, with this beautiful leather here, and the color here, this is all exclusive to the AT4, so you'll only get those colors on an AT4 version of the vehicle. Now, hopping right on out again, as I said, you do have a couple of Goldstein exclusives that you get when you buy your next vehicle from us. You get lifetime car washes once a week for as long as you own the vehicle. Along with the factory warranty, you also get the Goldstein Lifetime Limited Powertrain Warranty, both at no extra charge. I'm happy to give you the full, complete details of both Goldstein exclusives when you come in to test drive this 2025 GMC Canyon AT4. Set an appointment with me, Jason Baker, at 518-869-2291 today.